Hey there guys, it's me Crystal and I'm back here again today with another video. As you can tell from the title, this video is going to be a plan with me. I did one of these I think a few months ago and you guys really seemed to like it, so as you can see from this clip here, I had to use duct tape to stick my journal because it is tearing up, and that's because of the amount of extra paper I've been sticking onto the pages. Obviously this journal isn't meant to hold that amount of paper and it's been causing it to tear on the spine, so I still wanted it to last throughout till the end of the year, and since I only have 2 months more left of school, I've decided to change up my style a little bit. As you can see, I use washi tape, and the only bits of paper that I do stick on are for the days, headers, and the little quote boxes at the bottom. Hope you guys like the voiceover. I thought this would make the video a little more entertaining, so hope you enjoy. If you guys are liking the voiceover technique, let me know, because I do have some speed drawing and speed painting videos coming up in the future where I also will be doing a voiceover. Let me know if this is something that you guys have all experienced, but I just find that the last term of school, or the last few months of school, are just quite busy. It's just a lot of things come up. There's like class field trips, there's camps, there's I guess just end of the year tests and all that jazz. I sometimes find that bullet journaling and just decorating my planner really helps with it, so if you are looking for a creative outlet to relax yourself, I'd highly recommend trying this out. It's not really that hard to do, you just have to have a lot of dedication, and I know that's something that a lot of my friends always ask me. It's like, how do you get around to doing your planner every single weekend? Honestly, if you're dedicated to it, and if it makes you happy, then it's really not that difficult. This is probably one of my most favorite parts of decorating my planner is washi tape, stickers, and pens. I mean, you've got to admit, this is where it gets exciting because every week I get to choose a different washi tape and different pens to use according to my theme. The theme for this week, if you saw in the title, is something along the lines of a subtle nature theme. I really wanted to keep it really minimalistic and at the same time give that little spring vibe. If you didn't know, in New Zealand it is currently spring right now. May just mention, this is one of the most stressful parts of the washi tape part. As you can tell, it takes such a long time to get it to stay If you're wondering what pen I've been using so far, it is the Typo ballpoint black pen. They have plenty to choose from. I have this diamond and rainbow one. The quote I have chosen is, "Everyone goes through adversity in life, but what matters is how you learn from it." And this quote just hits me right in the spot. It's something that I think a lot of people don't really remember, including myself. We sometimes think our struggles are things that only we're dealing with, when in reality, everyone's going through something at some point, and it's always good to be kind no matter what. Speaking of quotes, I want you guys to comment down below your favorite quote, and if you don't have one, maybe just comment down below something positive. I'm sure it will make someone's day. Just thought I'd get y'all's opinion on a video I was thinking of making in the future. So I am going on a school camp soon in a few weeks, and I was wondering if you guys would be interested in seeing a video kind of where I pack my camp bag, where I go out and buy the food for it, and just shopping for the things in general. And if possible, I might vlog a little bit of the campsite that we are going to. If you guys are interested in that, comment down below, because I think that would be a really fun and exciting video to film. The pens I am using are the Tombow dual brush pens in the colors 990, 158, and 850. If you guys have any ideas on some planner themes I could use for the months of October and November, they might be spring themed or possibly Halloween themed, comment them down below, leaving your Instagram name as well, and if I end up using one in the future and making a video on it, I will be sure to mention your name. If you guys can't tell, I really love neutral colors. I've used them for majority of my planner themes. I think the only one, I guess, really bright, outstanding color that I love is probably any kind of yellow. I explained this in one of my other videos, but the reason there's an A next to the number 1 on the week label is because our schedules have 2-week timetables, so each day for week A is, whatever subjects I have for Monday, whatever subjects I have for Tuesday, but it changes on week B for Monday and Tuesday and all the other days, so that's mainly the reason I wanted to have a planner, was to simply remember my schedule. This is the final product. The only thing that's missing are these little symbols I normally put next to the days, usually a pencil or a cup of tea, just little cute emojis kind of. Overall, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!